The effects of aging on the face are particularly noticeable around the eyes. Gravity always wins on all parts of the body, and particularly around the eyes. So the eyebrows can droop. Also, the eyelid skin, in particular on the outer part of the eyes, can become more prominent. Eye bags become a feature of age. These are the things that patients commonly seek a correction for. One of the most common things people seek correction for is for hooding or extra tissue on the outer part of the eyes. This can be addressed surgically through a procedure called an upper blepharoplasty, or an eyelid reduction or an eye lift. What it involves is removing excess skin and a small amount of excess fat in order to make sure the eyelid skin is not resting on the eyelashes. That is one of the signs of aging, having the eyelid skin resting on the eyelashes. Even if we can just lift the eyelid skin slightly up, it greatly improves the appearance of the eyes. It also improves the function of the eyes, and patients often comment that the world seems brighter because more light is getting in. Lower eyelid bags can be addressed in a number of ways, both surgical and non-surgical. Sometimes fillers can be put along the trough between the cheek skin and the lower eyelids in order to camouflage the bag. However, with time and sometimes with the severity of the condition, patients do seek a surgical solution. There are a number of different surgical approaches to correcting eyelid bags. I perform surgery through the inside of the eye to try to avoid any major scars on the face itself and on the skin. By going through the inside of the eye, I can remove excess fat and redistribute the fat that is there to try to smooth out the junction between the lower eyelid and the cheek. If patients do have excess skin, I can also remove the excess skin just underneath the eyelashes, which results in a scar which is virtually invisible. Recovery after eyelid surgery is essentially about the bruising, and the bruising can last anywhere between 2 and 3 weeks. I advise all my patients to buy a big pair of Jackie O sunglasses, and I can see them afterwards when they've come back to have these sutures removed at 1 week. But after that time, they're showering normally, they can slowly start getting back into the rest of their life. In terms of whether it's worth undergoing surgery in order to improve the appearance of the eyes, it's important to have a look at my before and after photos. In these, you can see the kind of result which I'm able to achieve through a pretty straightforward procedure that I do as day surgery that takes only an hour or two.